My name is Buli Ndlovu, Executive Head of Marketing for Retail and Business Banking at Nedbank. As a banking brand, we are incredibly clear that our business cannot thrive in a weak economy and a struggling society. And therefore, it is incumbent upon us to play a role in systemic transformation. Now, this we really articulate through our purpose of using our financial expertise to do good for individuals, for families, for businesses, and for society. And so in the wake of the lootings and the riots that we faced last year, we were very intentional about playing our part in helping small businesses and particularly micro-entrepreneurs to rebuild and to grow and to restart their businesses, because we truly believe in the transformative power and the power that small businesses have in changing our society and ultimately impacting South Africa's economy. This year, we partnered with TEA, the Township Entrepreneurship Alliance, a very important and transformative organization that is intentional about growing townships through growing small businesses in the township, through providing mentorship, training workshops, really equipping and empowering small businesses. We truly believe that through this partnership, we really have the ability of denting the unemployment pandemic that South Africa faces. So support a small business, support a micro-entrepreneur in your township, because only then will this country and this economy grow.